I wanna show you how to make Star Wars text scroll effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! To start, just select your text tool and let's write the text. As soon as you're done, go to the Essential Graphics, and here you can modify the size of the text, the type of the text, and make any type of the adjustments. In case if you wanna change the color of the text, just select all of it, and clicking on the color of the fill, we are going to select the yellow one. We're also going to check the stroke and assign the black color. Come back to Effects and write Corner Pin. Add your corner pin effect to your text layer. Go back to the effects control and modify the upper left and operate X values until your text starts to lean into the middle. Now click the stopwatch icon next to the position, then increase the Y value until your text just disappears. Move your timeline slider to the end of your clip and decrease the Y value until your text just clears the top of the screen. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.